Hello everybody, welcome back. Most of the members who joined Toastmasters have asked me how to get best of Toastmasters, how to plan your Toastmaster journey. So in this video, we are going to cover why you should join Toastmasters. Whenever you start something new, you need to have an objective in mind. In Toastmasters, you are going to be part of a world-class organization. In Toastmasters, people join to improve their communication skills or just improve their network. Because your network is your net worth. As far as I know, this is the one world-class organization. I know Toastmaster for past 10 years and this is the best program for self-development. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and leave comments below. Also consider to press the bell icon so that you get notification of my next videos. The introduction of Toastmasters is already covered in my previous video and the link is here above if you want to visit. Let me now begin the video by telling you there are 5 things which you are sure to receive in any Toastmasters club. Number 1. Ready audience, which means if you have taken a speaking slot in any of the clubs, you will have members as audience listening and waiting to give feedback. It could be a virtual meeting or an actual meeting. It is said that Indira Gandhi, the former Prime Minister and the only female Prime Minister of India, made sand sculptures in the form of audience near the beaches and practiced her speeches. In Toastmasters, we don't have to do that. We get the audience present when the speaker is ready. Second, feedback and evaluation. For every role, there are people assigned to give you a suggestion on what to improve, and that too in a very positive and encouraging manner. Once you join Toastmasters and when you are a speaker, please prepare well and do justice for the time allocated to you. And please do stick to the time. Now, how do you do justice to your role is my point number 3. Number 3, mentoring. When you decide to do your speech, do not hesitate to talk to your mentor or any club members or your VP education. Reach out to other members to find out the best speech ideas. Consider mentoring as the best thing what you can get in Toastmasters. Not only for your speaking roles, but also every single leadership role in Toastmasters. And now let's move on to point number 4, leadership roles. Most of the Toastmasters do not understand the importance of leadership roles which they get in Toastmaster clubs. For example, the role of an area director teaches lots of things. For example, planning, implementing, reviewing and giving feedback. As an area director, when you are planning to start a new club, it's a project management course by itself. Which means the primary objective of any Toastmaster role is to be prepared for your real life. Toastmasters helps us to do all the exercises in the club and face the real life, maybe your family life or your professional life. If nothing else, it definitely brings out the best in you. And that takes to my last point. Learn to be patient and persistent. Perseverance is the word. Bamboo tree may take 3 to 4 years before it shoots towards the sky. Similarly, a Toastmaster may take 2 to 3 years to improve and show their results. But whatever efforts you put in Toastmasters, I am sure you're going to get the results. Hence, you have few members who join 2 clubs to improve their skills at a faster rate, give their speeches 2 times do the leadership roles in different clubs. Do like this video and tell me your Toastmasters goals. Let's connect in Instagram. If you need to know more about other club roles, there are various videos available in this channel. So please consider to subscribe. No matter what your goal is, but you will definitely find happiness and positive people in Toastmasters. If your purpose is to be a champion speaker, develop confidence, or be an influencer for your business, I am sure you will find all these people in this positive group of Toastmasters. And if you believe there are someone out there who needs help, please do suggest them the group called Toastmasters Club. Hope to see you soon.